So in this particular section, we will see that how XLSTAT, which is an add-on in the Microsoft Excel, can be utilized for our statistical analysis. Though the proper function we will be doing it in the latter point of time. At present, I will just show you how this software looks like and how we can add the data in this particular tool. So as you can see that, okay, let me go through here with the XLSTAT. So XLSTAT is an add-on, as you can see in my screen right now. It does provide you several features. It's not a free software, though you can download and install it for 14 days trial version. It provides you with the different packages, and especially for the students, you have basic plus, applied, and premium. You can see that descriptive and the hypothesis test, which is more or less what is required for most of our research purpose, until unless we are too much into the mathematical calculations and the hardcore statistics research. In most of the cases, when we just have to test whether something is significant or not, whether the two means are significantly different or not, we basically require in most of the time descriptive statistics, hypothesis testing, data visualization, and multivariate analysis and data modeling. So that can be easily accessible in $50 per year. Though I am not promoting this particular software, this is a good software to have, right? This is I mean, you can download the trial version. Once you download and install the trial version like you do for any other software, you will get a shortcut menu, something like this, where I have just installed the trial version to show you how it looks. And then once you click on that, you will see that, like any other tab in the Microsoft Excel, you have XLSTAT, and the data will be similar. How you have that practice Excel sheet, which I have already shared with you in the Google Drive, you will see, right? You see that the similar Excel can be utilized for a much more powerful statistical analysis tool. You have a tool, though I should tell you that this is already expired trial version, but then it gives you it leaves the basic analysis into your Excel sheet until unless you are uninstalling it, and then you can see that you can do a lot of basic calculations like basic functions like transformations, uh, descriptive statistics. You can visualize the data with the different plots, histograms, bar chart, and error bars, scatter plots. You can also analyze a PCA, MCA, all this multivariate analysis you can still do, ANOVA, regression, and those things. And apart from that, it also gives you the free, after the trial version is over, the parametric test and the non-parametric test. So these all analysis can be done in XLSTAT. It is also very useful because it is directly connected to R, and you can utilize the packages of R in order to make different different statistical analysis directly from Excel in R. So that is another advantage with the XLSTAT, right? And it provides you several other features with the 3D plotting and other things, which I am not going to show you right now. Basically, the data looks how it looks in Excel. One quick thing just I will show you here is that, let us see that how you can describe the data. So if you go in descriptive statistics, you can do the qualitative data. You can select the hydrogen peroxide column. In the subsample, treatment should be your subsample, and then you can select whatever chart you want or what kind of output you want, several quantitative data that we will see later, right? which is more or less similar in all the tools which we've been seeing right now. Once you do this, continue, and it will give you, see, hydrogen peroxide for control, 6 samples, and so on, all the test categories, mode and frequency, relative frequency, bar chart, pie chart, and so on. So these kind of things you can do on Microsoft Excel, add on XLSTAT, right? So this is the advantage of this software.